Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. In today's tutorial, I will show how to create a beautiful ribbon badge for baby shower. It can be a perfect keepsake for future parents. It's not my first video about the pins and badges, so I highly recommend check out my playlist dedicated to pin making for more information and inspiration. Now let's start our tutorial. As you can see, the design of my pin consists of two parts, the core of the badge and the ribbon part folded like accordion. I have a detailed video on how to make this pin button using Weaver Pin Maker. I will leave a link to the video in the description. If you are making the pin as a one-time project, you can print and cut out your design on paper. This option is also acceptable. For this project I using 6/7 inch ribbon on which we will have to apply notches measuring 1 cm. Small cuts I will do using sewing scissors because they are very sharp and perfect for this job. You can also do the same with a marker or pen. Choose what method works best for you. For me, much more easier to make small cuts with scissors. I place the ribbon on the edge of the table, then put down the ruler. This way I make equal cuts to 1 cm. We need to make such marks for approximately a length of 24 inches. This is how our ribbon should look like. To prevent the ribbon edges from fraying, we seal them with a flame. Then we take hot glue gun and we'll fold the ribbon in a zigzag pattern. We squeeze out a small drop of glue and fold the edge inward. Look here. The second step, let's imagine that we fold the ribbon like the letter Z, like here, and fixed it again with glue. The first drop and second. You have to find your speed when the glue is not too hot and at the same time still sticky, so you wouldn't burn your fingers. Here we go. Now we have repeat all the same again. We fold the ribbon, then glue it. I need the total number of folders to be 16. You may have a different number, it depends on your pin size, but it can be easily adjusted. This is the kind of ruffles we should end up with. Now I take pin's back side and will glue our ribbon on the pin. I would like to point out that it's the additional back side of our badge. When we reached the end, we cut the ribbon and hide the last corner inside. But before that, we seal the edge. Okay, following step, we will glue our two parts. We need to do it carefully to avoid the mess with glue and at the same time to attach exactly in the center. And here's what we have achieved. Finally, our last step. Here I cut ribbons by 6 inches. You can use any size and use different quantities of ribbons, depending on your design idea. Repeat the same with another pin. Here we glue the ribbons to the back side of our pin. That's the end of our tutorial. Our raffle pins for baby shower is ready. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Subscribe to my channel and happy crafting!